You are standing at a market in Mexico. The vendor holds up a price tag and says something fast in Spanish. You hear a number, but you have absolutely no idea what number it was. You just hand over some money and hope for the best. That moment ends today. By the end of this episode, you are going to know Spanish numbers from 1 all the way to 100. Not by memorizing a boring list, but through real-life scenarios you will actually use. Prices, phone numbers, ages, addresses. Real Spanish, real numbers, starting right now. Before we start, if you are new here, welcome to English and Spanish Cafe. We teach real, everyday Spanish in the simplest way possible. Hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss a lesson. It is completely free and it truly helps us keep making this for you every single week.
We would love to have you here with us every week. Now, let us get into those numbers.
Welcome back to English and Spanish Cafe. I am your host, and with me, as always, is my co-host joining us from Spain.
Hola, everyone! Numbers in Spanish are so important and honestly, so much easier than people think. Once you learn the pattern, counting to 100 becomes very natural, very fast. And today, we are going to make it fun and practical.
We are going to go through the numbers in groups, ones, tens, and then putting them together. And with every group, we are going to give you a real-life scenario so you actually understand how and when to use them. We start at the very beginning, numbers 1 to 10. These are the foundation of everything. Learn these first, and the rest becomes much easier.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Now let us repeat them together. After me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Perfect. Now here is your real-life scenario. You are at a fruit stall. The vendor asks how many oranges you want. You want 5. You say, 5, por favor. 5, please. Simple, natural, done.
Numbers 11 to 20. These ones have their own unique names, so pay close attention.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Repeat after me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20.
Real-life scenario. You are at a Spanish cafe and your coffee costs 15 pesos. 15 pesos. You hand over the money and say, 15, gracias. 15, thank you. Easy, natural, and very impressive to the person serving you.
Now from 21 to 29. And here is the great news. In Spanish, 21 to 29 all start with 20. Just add the number after it.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29.
Repeat the pattern. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Real-life scenario. You check into your hotel in Mexico City. The receptionist says your room is number 23. Habitación 23. Room 23. You nod, smile, and head straight to your room like you have been speaking Spanish your whole life.
Now, this is where it gets really exciting. Once you know the tens in Spanish, you can build any number all the way to 100.
30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Repeat each one. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Real-life scenario. You're at a souvenir market in Cancun. A beautiful handmade bag costs 50 pesos. 50 pesos. You point at the bag and say, 50 pesos? With a slightly surprised expression, and watch the vendor smile and nod. You just had your first real Spanish number conversation. Now, here is the magic part. Combining the tens with the ones to make any number between 31 and 99. And the rule is beautifully simple.
You take the 10, add the word y, which means and then add the 1. 31, 31. 42, 42. 55, 55. 68, 68. 73, 73.
Repeat with me. 31, 42, 55, 73. Real-life scenario. Your taxi ride in Mexico City costs 45 pesos. 45 pesos. The driver says 45, and you immediately reach for exactly the right amount. No confusion, no guessing, just confidence. You are doing incredibly well. Numbers are one of the trickiest parts of any language, and you are already building real confidence. If this episode is helping you, please subscribe to English and Spanish Cafe right now. New episodes every single week, all made for beginners, just like you.
Leave a like too. It helps so many more people find us and start their Spanish journey. We truly appreciate every single one.
Now, let us put these numbers into 3 more real-life situations that you will definitely use. Let us go. Someone asks how old you are. In Spanish, you say tengo and then your age. Tengo means I have. In Spanish, you do not say I am 30. You say I have 30 years. Tengo 30 años.
So if you are 25, you say tengo 25 años. If you're 42, you say tengo 42 años. The structure is always the same. Tengo, your number, años.
Repeat. Tengo 30 años. Tengo 30 años.
Now try it with your own age. Tengo and your number and años. Say it out loud right now. That is your age in Spanish.
You met someone great and you want to stay in touch. Here is how you give your phone number in Spanish.
You say, mi número es, and then say each digit one at a time. Mi número es 3, 5, 2, 4. My number is 335214. Spanish speakers always say phone numbers as individual digits, never in pairs or groups like some other languages.
Repeat the opener. Mi número es. Mi número es.
Now practice with your own number. Say, mi número es, and go through each digit in Spanish. Use uno through 9 and 0 for 0. Try it out loud right now.
And the most important real-life use of all? Shopping, prices, markets. This is where your Spanish numbers will save you every single day of your trip.
When the vendor tells you the price, listen for the number. 80 pesos, 80 pesos, 100 pesos, 100 pesos, 35 pesos, 35 pesos. And if you want to ask the price yourself, you already know this one. ¿Cuánto cuesta? How much does it cost?
Repeat the full shopping phrase. ¿Cuánto cuesta? ¿Cuánto cuesta?
And when they tell you the price, you are ready. You understand the number. You hand over the right amount, you smile, you say gracias, and you walk away feeling like a complete Spanish-speaking local.
Final recap. I say it in English, you say it in Spanish out loud before the answer comes. Ready? Let us go. 1 to 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6 to 10.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
11, 12, 15, 20.
11, 12, 15, 20.
21, 23, 25.
21, 23, 25.
30, 40, 50.
30, 40, 50.
60, 70, 80.
60, 70, 80.
90, 100.
90, 100.
31, 45, 73.
31, 45, 73.
I am 30 years old.
Tengo 30 años.
How much does it cost?
¿Cuánto cuesta?
Numbers are the backbone of every real-life Spanish conversation. Prices, ages, dates, phone numbers, addresses. Once you know your numbers, you are not just learning Spanish, you are actually living it. And today, you took a huge step forward.
And the beautiful thing about Spanish numbers is that once you know the tens and the ones, you can build any number you need all by yourself. The pattern is yours now. Use it everywhere.
Your challenge today. Go to the comments right now and write your age in Spanish. Tengo and your number and años. Just that one sentence. Show us you were here and that you practiced. We want to see every single one.
We read every single comment. Every one. We would love to see yours down there today.
If this episode helped you, please subscribe to English and Spanish Cafe. Leave a like and share this with someone who is about to travel to a Spanish-speaking country and needs their numbers fast.
Hasta luego, amigos.
See you in the next one.